Over to Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service. Arnie sent us an urgent email this week. Cold temperatures caused another water problem. Apparently, the water froze. He's wondering, is that common? How can he prevent it? Okay, so we touched on the little drips to keep your faucets. Is there anything else, like keeping the doors to outside cabinets where the water might be open?
Yeah. So anytime you got water lines on an exterior wall, let's start there. If then keep your cabinet doors open, get a little bit of airflow in there if possible. Keep the water dripping. I know, there's always a debate about what is a drip. I think a stream of water about the size of a pencil lead is about right. People say, well, it's wasteful, but water is cheap compared to the cost of doing the repair bill on it. If you've got areas like an attic where you've got water lines running through it and there's really is no way to keep those warm, you may want to talk to someone about, plumber can typically do the insulation. Install heat tape. Heat tape is a way to keep those pipes from freezing, those areas that are exposed. A little bit more of a permanent kind of solution, but well worth a small investment for the protection that you get. Water lines running through crawl spaces are usually will stay warm enough, but people keep crawl space vents open. Sometimes those areas get a little bit cooler than you'd anticipate. So even if the water lines are running through a crawl space, you still want to be a little bit aware and careful of making sure that the water doesn't stay still in those pipes where it can freeze, particularly out near the edges of the foundation.
Got it. A reminder, if you hear something interesting, you want to hear it again, or let somebody that you know hear about it from our radio show, go to LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's LouisvilleAnswers.com. That is a redirect to our radio show, which is actually also videotaped and is on YouTube. So you see the whole thing by going to LouisvilleAnswers.com. Also, a reminder, if you want to see what people are saying about us with our reviews, and we're very proud of our reviews, you can go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. We made that pretty easy for you to do.